We did play with the bird, right? I think we played with the
I
bird.
think we did.
Wait, how did that one get there?
Peter.
Just give me another one.
Okay. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Yes. I got another one. Just
Another rook?
another rook.
Or another one?
Another one.
And then the scoring? Like the very most you can get is how much?
There's
If you
8.
got everything.
There's 8 tricks.
So there's 8. Well, so there's 120 points with the bird of points cards. Excuse me. Yeah, 120 points because there's 15 points. It's going to be 25 points per color, and then the birds are 20. So it's 120. And then we were playing per trick too. So,
What is that? 2?
so I think what we said, so there should be 138 points total. So that sounds right. 8 times 2 is 1,636 points, I guess. Yeah, 136 is what it
I
is.
think when we played with 4 people, we decided to get rid of the points for the bird. And
That's, yeah, with 4
For
people.
four.
Yeah, that was one of our experiments, yeah. And we never really finished that, did we? I
I
think we
can't
kind of got
remember.
it started, but I don't think we ever actually finished that plan. So we might want to do that. I mean, I still do.
So 136 if you get everything.
136 total points, yep. And then with 3 people, then it's kind of divided up between all 3 of us. The person who gets the trump chooses the trump usually, you know, obviously is more powerful.
Handles it pretty well.
Yeah. And so, but I don't think it's that much different than like over the top. So 80, it seems like somewhere around 80 starts getting kind of tricky again. 80, 90 kind of things, you know, you have to have a good hand, I guess, to keep going over it. You know, marginal hand will get you there. Let's put it that way, I think, usually. And
An
then,
okay hand.
But if I remember right,
Played well.
if there's
If you get
3
stuck with
people
it.
and you don't play pairs, I think this one actually ends up being lower than 80, 90. If I remember right, like it ends up being
It's
like
harder to get
60 or something.
even though there's more points.
Even though there's more points,
Yeah.
you end up having less because it's just for yourself, right?
Yeah.
You don't combine the other
Yeah.
players.
And then the scoring is the same as over the top. So if I get my bid, if I'm bidding, I get the trump or the win, whatever. If I get my bid, I get what I get. You guys all get what you get.
If you
If
don't.
you break it, if you break me as an example, then I get nothing and your scores are doubled.
Yes, okay.
Yeah. Okay, so
Peter,
Peter
do you
gets to
start it?
start with Sophie dealing.
Okay. 40.
Bidding.
60.
65.
Pass.
70.
I'm sorry. We aren't showing very much. I guess that is.
Okay.
Can't throw away points, right? In this one.
Nope, have to keep points. Okay, I guess green.
Green.
Nice.
And I start.
Yep.
Because
Yep, because I won the bid and go starts to beginners or winners left. Yep. Or
um,
yes.
letter to my primary teachers.
I didn't look at that, did I?
And I start again.
Your bottom one.
Bottom one.
My bottom one. This is a really weird hand.
You don't mind.
What's that?
You don't mind.
Yeah, sure you don't.
Whoa! That's probably really nice.
So it's the bottom.
Yeah.
Let's play green. Bottom one.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. I was hoping you had something. Or not black.
Bottom one. Okay, I guess we'll go bottom one.
I gotta try it.
think about that.
Yes.
So you want to play that points.
Should come out. We start with red.
It was red at that start.
Oh.
Yeah.
So I had to play
Yeah.
it.
Okay, what one then? Top. It's 13.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, we got all those dreams there, so.
That was on accident.
Let's see.
Red. Interesting.
Okay, this is good.
Okay, well.
That's what I was waiting for.
Yeah, I was holding on to it. I had a lot of yellow.
Did you have to play something else?
Did I have to play
This
something
last
else?
round.
This last
You
round?
got 20 points to go.
No. If I didn't know, because I had that
Maybe we still
15
wouldn't
points
have
in my
beat him.
hand. Yeah, so either I would have given you a 5 at some point, or the...
How much is trick? Or
I don't remember what we did with that to round it up to 140. We just said that was worth.
well, that's if you play in 4, right? Because there's points in that. Or do we just do that in
It
30s
seems
as
like
well?
it seems like for some reason we'd round it up,
Okay.
but
yeah, sounds good.
I don't know if we want
For
to do
being
that.
the last person to get
Whoever gets the
trick.
last
I'm okay with that.
trick gets.
That
I
one.
remember playing something like that, but I don't. I also remember not, so I can't remember what we did last.
Yeah.
Anyway, let's stay at 136 and then we can decide what to
Yeah.
do. It just makes the math a little harder.
So I just
can't
have
do that in my head.
12.
So 12, and so you guys didn't break
No.
me, right?
We both have
okay,
12,
so
so we have
so
112.
I had 112,
Yeah.
Wow.
and then you got 12
12
each,
each.
right?
Yeah.
1 plus 2, yeah, 12. Okay.
That worked really well for you, Dad.
And you dealt red, so.
Yes, it's your turn.
How does that work if you do not get your bid?
So if you broke me, then I'd be 0 and yours would be doubled.
Oh, that's what it is.
Which one is the one that you go in the hole if you don't get your bid? Do we have one? That you go in
Yeah,
the
so
hole?
if you play 4-person rook, then what happens is you go negative your bid. So you guys, the opponent would get nothing. No,
Or
opponent
would they
gets what
still
they
get
get.
whatever?
Yeah, they get what they get, and then you go down your bid, your negative your bid.
Gotcha.
Yeah.
Instead, we would double if we broke.
Yeah, so in that case, oh wow. So if, in that case, in this case, so the bid was clear down to 70 or whatever, right? Yeah,
Mhm.
70. anyway, that ended up being a good hand. I really didn't have that strong of I got no green out of the nest. And so it didn't help me at all. So the nest, I mean, the bird on the bottom is what saved a lot of that. It's like, oh, that's good. Uh, 15.
60.
62,
65.
67.
68,
71.
75.
76,
77.
80.
pass.
Pass.
Yellow.
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 And who starts?
You do.
I do.
Green from the top.
On top. That was stupid.
So you have green, right? I mean, you don't have green, right?
I don't know. That was stupid. That was stupid. I want to take it back. I want to take it back. I want to take it back.
You know what you have it.
What? Why would you do that?
It's strategy, okay?
Saving it.
Oh my gosh. That was so dumb. Okay.
That was top.
Oh, yes, it was.
Trumped it.
Uh,
top.
Mm-hmm. Mm.
You're gonna dislike me.
Yeah.
What's Trump? Yellow.
Yellow.
Bottom one. Bottom, bottom.
Ah! Bottom.
She has black.
Just whatever.
Well, in that case. Actually, I don't know what to do. Bottom right.
Mm-hmm.
I think I want it.
I'm just gonna show the camera my cards because there's a tough point here that I'm not sure what to deal with.
Top. And that was bottom right.
Bottom, yeah.
Mm-hmm. So that was the top.
Top trumped, yep.
Top.
Mm-hmm. There it is.
Flush the trumps.
Yep. That's you, my Peter.
Did you play the bottom?
I did. At 3.
Oh yeah, okay.
And now we're going to the top right.
Top one, yep.
That was cute.
Oh, why did I do that?
So top green.
Tell me.
Top green.
Yellow's trump, right?
Yellow
Why did I
is.
just throw that?
Because you won.
You want that 11.
I guess I'm gonna fish her 8 out, maybe. That's the best thing I can come up with for my mistake, anyway. Top, right? Yeah.
Yeah.
Bottom. Wait, I have 2 cards here, I think.
Which bottom, Dad?
Oh,
Which one?
sorry. I was just waiting for you to do your thing. Sorry.
Okay. So bottom one.
Oh, this is terrible. I have to put my 14.
Mm-hmm.
Oh.
as trump.
I don't have any
Oh,
for
you start with this one.
Yeah.
Play black.
So top,
Oh, so
Top.
you got it. Oh, on the 5.
and I got the
Nice.
2.
Ah, that was so bad, you guys.
I didn't have very good cards.
I
I had the bird, but
didn't have good cards. I had enough that I thought I could flush at least one
Yeah.
color completely out, and maybe even another color depending on how the
yeah.
the pile was, which the pile had colors that I had already.
Oh, and I won the last one, which doesn't matter right
So
now,
we're
right?
not gonna do that yet. I guess we'll figure it out later.
31
But
points
it
for me.
didn't work out very
31,
well.
nice.
And you got
So I got 10, 20,
42.
42, yeah.
I definitely didn't.
So
do
it's
good.
73.
So 136 minus 73. 140 minus 70 would be 70 minus 4. 6, so we broke, right?
I didn't make it.
You didn't make it, right?
No. There's no way.
So if you got 0, it stays at 12. So Peter, yours doubles. What'd you have?
31.
31, so 62.
Yep.
74.
And you got 42.
42 doubled. Oh, no. 40. Oh, yeah, 42 straight, right? So 84.
Yeah.
Nice.
Look right. So the dilemma I had was I had a 5 of red
Mm-hmm.
that I could have played on yours. I would normally have given you points. So I give you points anytime we can so we can try and break Sophie so we can get a point score to double up, you know, when we're done. But I had a green 9 or something, and I had a green 10 down there that I had trump that I was hoping to protect. Maybe I could trump on a green and save that 10. And so I threw away the 9 and saved the 5 points in hope I could save the 10 points. And then the very next card Sophie played, flushed out my green, green, I guess, and then I didn't have a chance to trump on it anyway. Sophie out-trumped you, that's what it was.
Mm-hmm.
See, I was playing a different strategy. I was feeding points to Sophie because then it would be all equal. Because you're the one that's ahead of us both, so.
Oh, at that point? Oh, you were
Oh,
good.
yeah. I wasn't playing against Sophie, I was playing with Sophie. I was playing against you.
Didn't feel like it.
Well, I also wanted some points for me.
Yes.
I just didn't want Troy to get any.
Just enough that I would lose.
Yeah. No.
Just
Like, I didn't
enough.
care if you lost or won because then it would still be. Well, I guess
I
I
would
did
do
want you
well.
to lose because then I would double, but I wanted you to have as much as possible.
Thanks.
I gave you 10, remember? At the beginning.
Was it 10?
I think so.
Oh, man.
Ay, ay,
I've never seen
ay.
the bird so many times out there.
Oh, I guess we should keep it somewhere where the keeper can see it.
It's Peter's turn.
No choice.
I think it's probably very uncommon. Oh, I don't remember seeing the rook down there visible all the time.
Yeah.
The odds are not that high for it to be that exposed. Essentially 6 hands here, and it showed up twice down on the bottom. Yeah.
Show us.
I want to see.
What's Trump?
Nothing yet.
I hate that game.
Oh, it's probably a bad hand then.
Is it my turn?
Sophie starts.
60.
61.
67.
70.
71.
Show the camera, by the way, your card, Sophie, in case it's interesting for the future.
Is that interesting?
Don't
for
look
the
away.
future?
Don't look
It,
away.
it's in, or
Don't
look
look
away.
Alright, here.
Look away. How do I show the camera? Is
Well,
it
just like
good?
this.
Yeah, just like
Is
that.
good. Okay, stop looking at it.
Just lift up your hands.
Just stop it! Okay.
Don't look quick.
I'm sure we'll have to slow that one down.
We'll have to freeze it.
Did you see that?
Okay.
I had 70. I said 70. Did you go?
71.
Okay.
73.
75.
6.
77.
Pass.
Pass.
Oh.
Is it 77? Oh, you guys stink.
Well, last time you definitely got it, so there's that.
The snow is getting thicker and thicker.
How come I feel set up here?
I love it. It hasn't snowed just twice this year.
I feel
Yeah.
seriously
And
set
here
up.
we are in March and it's snowing.
It's snowed.
It's pretty
snowed
snowy.
quite a bit here. I was surprised. I brought all of our snow sledding
Oh,
clothes
did you really?
and boots.
Oh.
And I was prepared to put the boots on to walk to the door because even last week there was sledding going on here,
Oh, so it just melted over.
and so they must have really had a big
Heat wave.
big heat wave.
So
The
listen to
snow is
Christmas
so
music.
pretty. Just floaty.
The weather outside
Floaty
is
and whirling.
frightful.
Far, so
Delightful. Since there's no place to go, let it snow, let it snow. It doesn't show signs of stopping. I guess we should show our camera that we have snow.
Yeah.
Oh, this stinks.
Yay!
You guys set me up.
Maybe.
Sold out.
You're the top dog.
So the red.
Red?
Bread.
Okay. And it's my turn. I'm trying to decide.
This how you do. Nice. Oh, this is
Oh
beautiful.
no, Dad! Oh no! Oh no!
Did I play?
No, not yet.
That worked out very nicely. Quite nicely that did.
So that was top. Yes.
Funny,
Red, is it?
Red is Trump.
I guess. Wow, you're out of yellow. That's amazing.
You don't have any yellow? Oh boy.
Maybe I do. Down here.
Oh. What?
What's
I
wrong?
want to see what's
Nothing, it's just good.
It's working
I
out
got a
for us.
14. Oh, see, I got plenty yellow.
Ay, ay, ay.
Ay, ay, ay. And the top one? Yes.
Top.
Oh, crap. Now we know that's yellow or green.
Trump is red. Okay. Green.
my first point.
Use them well.
Oh dear.
Red is Trump.
Red is Trump, Trump is red. Red is Trump and Trump is red.
Bottom.
Oh, thank you.
Black.
Bottom.
Bottom.
I want this very much.
Oh wow.
And I know that if I don't play it, I will not get it. Alright.
Bottom one.
Oh, bottom one.
You won it.
Oh, yeah, sorry.
I won with the
You
bottom.
won from the
You
bottom.
won from the bottom.
Bottom, so
Bottom. Bottom.
interesting. I have to play the top now.
Green.
Green.
Mm.
Top.
Top.
No, bottom.
Bottom.
Because you
Yes,
won with a
'cause, yeah.
13.
Um.
Troy, can I get you to read this and tell me if you think it's all right? I'm putting a letter to my primary teachers. Bottom.
Top. What color is it?
Yellow.
Yellow. Who's winning? Troy.
Yep.
Interesting indeed. What do we do? Well, I think we might have a shot.
At this.
No. Which one do I do? Which one do I do? Try. I think it's yours.
It's mine. Yay, my second one. Bottom one.
Oh no, you had a red in bottom one. Oh no, I made a mistake.
Way to go, Peter. No. Okay. So I won from the bottom. So there's that.
Nice. I should have done it the other way.
Did you have points still?
No, but I could have grabbed another trick.
With your 12.
Yeah.
Oh.
I was like, well, I will not need to play it.
I'm nowhere close because you broke right easy. Yeah.
I had
What you got?
super high cards. Like 14, 13, 12 of like everything.
Yeah, I didn't have a hand at all.
and I
So I was surprised. I was just trying to push you guys up. I had no intention of trying to play that one.
I probably could have played it
You could
because I
have played
had
that.
hard cards.
Yeah, and you had the killer
and the
hand.
rook, and yeah.
Now the game's starting to even out.
But I had like even amount of card like colors too, so it would have been like last time probably, depending on what was in the pile. But I would have been stuck with a bunch of colors still, I think.
So I got 58.
58
Yeah.
straight, so twice.
Oh, no, with
58
twice.
total.
10, 20, 40, 50, 60,
66.
6, doubled.
132.
132. Wow.
Finally. I've been stuck at the bottom, you guys. It was my turn.
You're welcome.
Thanks.
Yeah, I had a really crummy hand. I had 114 and I think a 13. That was it. Everything else was sub 10.
Well, I had pretty high. I had 12, 14, at least those two.
Thanks.
We should show camera.
Look what
Huckleberry ice cream.
Ooh, is this Hackleberry?
Mm-hmm.
Ooh, we're in Idaho.
Oh.
Yeah, so
It
Sophie,
smells good.
I
Yeah.
guess you probably got, I never thought about this, but you got more points out of that than you would have gotten if you'd
One.
taken all of the points in a winning hand.
Yeah, because you got like.
That's
Something to think
true.
about. I never even thought of that before.
Right. Maybe
It's
it's
like-
more worth your while to just mess people
It
up.
can be. It was for you in that case, and
Right.
you probably even could have done. I mean, the only place that I got where I could have done better, but I didn't, was
Uh-huh.
when Peter ran out of whatever and he trumped on my
Yeah.
whatever that was. Like,
The green.
That was like the only chance I had left at getting much of anything, and I never would have got. I don't think I would have ever got my
I don't
bid.
think so.
But that was what broke the roll. Let's put it that way. Like, okay, I'm done. Even in Trump, the biggest Trump I had was a 10. It came out of the nest.
Ugh, that sucks.
So you guys had all the big trumps.
Yeah.
No, I had.
I didn't have any trump. I had a 3, and then a down. I guess a down.
You
I
had
had
some
some.
down.
You had a
You
rook.
13 down below too.
1, 2, 3,
Mhm.
4, 5, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 8. There we go. Yeah, below was fine, but
Up above and down below. Pretty much black, green, and yellow at the bottom. That's good, no?
Peter struck somebody.
50.
60.
7.
1.
Seven, 5.
77.
Does it sound alright?
Pass. It's delicious, thank you.
I haven't finished.
Oh.
But I'm glad it sounds delicious.
Where were you at?
77. I'm sorry, Dad. I have to pass. You're stuck with it again. I'm really sorry. I'm really
You
sorry.
guys stink. You kidding me?
I'm sorry.
Okay,
I
maybe
can't.
Sophie's just going for another
Like,
66.
look at all this down here. It pretty much emulates what I have. I can't. Yeah, because they're keeping to themselves and they're not catching
Oh,
everyone
come on.
else's
You
cough.
guys stink. That's all I'm gonna say.
You said that last time.
I'm really
Get a
sorry.
new line.
That's what
Get a
the,
new line.
that's what the,
You guys really suck.
I'm sorry.
That's good. That's acceptable.
that's what the news said, that there has primaries existed.
Flu.
That the
This
flu
last
has
year?
been, pretty much completely wiped out because, and
Glorious.
and the thing is, you know, this, you
I
know,
mean, I didn't get sick. I always get sick in the fall because
Actually, I
of the
do
dirty
a little bit
kids.
as well.
yeah. So
How many do I throw away? 5.
So last year, just at the beginning of the school year kind of a thing, I kid you not, there was a note that came home, you know, that
Red.
an email that came that said it's important for your child to be at school. You know, we exist on children, you know, basically we don't get paid if your kids aren't in school, kind of a thing.
Yeah.
And this year, I think, or not this year, but I think that we're I think starting now, we're going to be, please have, if you have a cold or you're under the weather in any way, please wear a mask.
Uh-huh.
I think is what we're going to be seeing now, because I've mentioned that normally, you know, people have a sniffle and they're out and about in the world, a cough, whatever, and they feel all right, but they're really not protecting anybody. But it's those little sniffles that turn into flu. It turns into bronchitis. It turns into pneumonia.
Yeah.
So I think.
Okay.
Be really smart if you
Top one.
feed
Just
the little
yeah.
guy. Or the big guy. You're gonna feed the big guy.
If we normalized having it, just if you're sick.
Well, Georgina sent me an article, and it pretty much said that Great Britain is going to be initiating mask mandate
Top.
for illnesses.
Mm-hmm. That's awesome.
So after COVID's gone, you're still going to be.
If you got a cough, you're gonna wear one of teachers' masks.
Hopefully people are
They're just
more
gonna keep
normal
in the
about
drawer. Yeah. Bottom is up.
it. Bottom's the bottom, Sophie.
Okay. Is it? What's the trump again?
Red.
I'm winning.
You are?
Yeah. That's my 12.
Oh, I didn't see that.
Sorry. Not too sorry though. Because at least I got 5 points maybe.
Maybe. It's either I get the 5 points or you get
Bottom.
15.
Bottom.
I think I'm gonna
Give me
get
15.
5.
No, but but why? That's so mean.
It's not mean.
Yes, it is.
So did you
It's
like?
my 5?
Did you like the ice cream?
Yeah, it was nice. It was huckleberry. Rude.
I wasn't paying attention. And I'm sorry.
My class got out 15 minutes early.
Come sit with us.
Top one, right?
Bottom one.
Bottom one.
My
Yeah.
class got out 15
Hello.
minutes early.
Whoa, good for you.
You what?
15 minutes early out
Oh,
of
yeah.
class. Wow.
Wow.
We're always late, so that was weird. It's like, we're gonna pick up next Wednesday.
From the bottom.
Ugh.
And then we have to play from the top.
I don't like this. that. Well, I probably shouldn't say that.
How do you know that, Peter? Are you cheating?
No, because I see the cards and I see my cards.
You can see my cards.
No, I can see my cards. But I'm telling you what I got.
What's that?
Nothing. Let's keep. Why did I say that?
I don't know. I don't know.
Oh, so sad.
No. I feel very good about my situation in life.
Baby.
Bottom one.
I'm so
mean-
sad about you not giving me that.
Bottom.
Yeah. I didn't. What they're not good.
That 10.
And then top. And we're currently at.
Yellow. You.
It's so weird outside. Okay. And it's sticking.
Yeah,
We
that's
can
what
go
I just
sledding
noticed.
tomorrow.
I don't know
What
what
time
I'm
do you go to
doing.
work, Peter?
11.
What time do you go to work, Sophie?
3.
So if it gets bad and it's just, a bad situation, then it would be hard, but you could make it tomorrow if it needed to be.
Yeah. Good work.
What does it say here? It is going to National weather, special weather statement from Marsh and say more about this.
Top one.
At Pocatello, Idaho Falls, Idaho National Weather Service, Marsh and Arbon Highlands. Snow to accumulate on area mountain passes today and tonight. Slick and snowy roads are expected as snow is expected to fall throughout much of the remainder of the day into the overnight hours. Look for a gradual improvement in activity after 3 a.m. tomorrow morning and even earlier. Snowfall amounts range from 1 to 3 inches in Swelter and Malad passes, 2 to 4 inches in Fish Creek, and 3 to 5 in Immigration Pass.
Not bad. Maybe. But actually bad.
It looks like more rain in
Depends on what
Salt
you
Lake
got.
than Salt Lake's one.
It never snows in Salt Lake. Top?
Oh, nice.
Yeah, you're getting rain. Yeah,
Top.
You got snow on Friday,
What?
but it looks like just.
It's that, right? It's yellow.
It's yellow.
Oh, nice. Bottom.
Okay, so I'm gonna take
Bottom one.
these
Try one side,
downstairs
right?
and feed them.
Nope.
It's not
You
quite
don't?
up to
I
his
get
time
it.
yet. So did you mess up your father again?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
It's not
It
my
wasn't
fault.
me.
I passed
I
before
didn't have
Sophie did.
It's all Peter.
No, I passed before Sophie did.
You did pass
All
before
these
I did, but
14s
I
came
didn't
at
have.
the bottom.
Look at what I got. Nothing, because I had nothing.
So did you like the ice cream?
Oh,
Yeah.
it was beautiful.
Okay. Different. I mean, you probably wouldn't order it as a go-to, but it was
but
a good
Yeah.
change.
Huckleberry ice cream. Is
I think I got your. I think I made your.
And that's how I am if I go
Sure.
to Montana
30,
or something where huckleberries are prominent, then you have to
40,
get an ice cream, huckleberry ice cream.
50,
float or
Nothing.
60, 80, 88. Wow.
So you couldn't
So
spare
88, that's doubled
15
or not
points.
Yeah, it's not doubled.
Non-doubled, yeah. Okay. So
That's
100
174. 170. Wait. 176.
$308.
Because it goes to 300.
Yep.
This was good. I like this one. It was scary.